So when you join up with Snowball Effect, we'll provide you a range of different options that we'll alert you to via email. We also have an investor profile where you can go in there and you can tell us a little bit about yourself, i.e. the types of companies that you like to invest in, the industries, how you like to be involved. Do you like to be an active investor? Do you want to be a director or a mentor, or are you happy to be a passive investor? And then we can really tailor the types of companies and the types of investment opportunities that you're going to see by being part of Snowball Effect.
At Snowball Effect, we work really hard to provide investors with offer materials that are really useful and relevant to assessing an offer.
In terms of the companies that we look to bring to investors for them to invest in, we work with a specific segment of the market, being growth companies in high growth mode. We're looking for funding to really kickstart that to the next level.
The thing that makes Snowball Effect's deal flow pipeline unique is the fact that we work with a wide variety of companies. So we're working with companies across a range of different sectors, and we're focused on companies that are more at the growth stage. So we're not focused on startups, very early stage companies. We're working with companies that are more mature than that have been able to demonstrate that they have a product or a service in the market that people want. The key thing that we're looking for when we're talking to companies about raising capital with us is making sure that they have a clear view on where they want to take their business, and understanding, do they have a good grasp on their financial forecasts? Are they able to articulate why they want to spend capital and where they want to spend it? And do they have a quality governance team on board who can manage the interests of a minority group of shareholders coming into the business?
So for some of our larger investors, we sit down and get to know them quite intimately in terms of their requirements. Sometimes they're rather specific, so we can go out and hunt specific deals for those types of investors. Once something comes along that we think is an interesting opportunity for a specific person, we'll often approach them directly and sit down with them as the first introduction to the opportunity, and then facilitate the discussions with the company and go from there if there's interest.
If you're a larger investor, our aim is to get to know you and get to understand what types of investments you want to invest in, the types of companies, the types of industries, and if you want to be an active investor or you're happy to be passive. So it's about providing you with a very tailored service that meets the requirements of your portfolio. You can keep track of the investments that you've made through your investor profile, and by being a member, we'll keep you up to date with the latest offers and what's available through our platform.